In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview After Effects animation presets in Adobe Bridge. Let's dive right in and make the magic of animation even more accessible for you. To start this process, you'll need to have Adobe After Effects open and ready on your desktop. Make sure you have a composition ready, where you'll be working your animation magic. Once your composition is up, take a moment to select the layer you'd like to apply a preset to. This is an important first step because the next actions you take will be applied directly to this layer. Having the right layer selected helps ensure that your creative vision comes to life exactly as you intend. Now that you have your layer selected, navigate over to the Effects and Presets panel. You might notice this panel on the right side of your After Effects interface. The panel is your gateway to a universe of preset possibilities. Spot the menu icon here. Often represented by 3 horizontal lines, it might look like a small hamburger icon. Give it a click and choose the option that says Browse Presets. This magical click will transition you from After Effects into Adobe Bridge, an immensely helpful tool that acts as a companion in your creative workflow. Here you'll find a folder brimming with animation presets, usually the built-in animation presets folder that Adobe provides. This is where the fun starts. Look at the preview panel located at the top right corner of Bridge. You'll discover an array of previews displayed for each preset. The beauty of this setup is in its visual aids. These previews provide a glimpse into what each animation preset can bring to your project. Simply click on a preset and you'll be able to watch a small preview clip or animation. Take your time here, explore, and get a feel for what might work best for your composition. This feature allows you to make informed creative choices without committing prematurely. Once you find an animation preset that speaks to your artistic style or the project's needs, simply double-click on it. This action takes us back full circle to After Effects. The preset you selected in Bridge will now be applied to the initially selected layer in your composition. It's as easy as that. With this method, you've effectively combined the resources of 2 powerful Adobe tools to enhance your workflow and bring your project that much closer to completion. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the seamless integration between After Effects and Adobe Bridge for previewing animation presets. Whether you're a seasoned motion graphics artist or just getting started, this process will undoubtedly save you time and spark inspiration for your creative projects. Until next time, happy animating!